Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a life of a squishy and slime scammer. So yeah, and here's my volunteer for the day. That's my sister. Okay, so let's get on with the video. Oh my gosh, I just got someone buying from me. I don't have to live in my dad's attic anymore. Phew. Okay, so attic. So first thing she ordered is a purple glossy slime with some yellow beads. Let's see if I have that. So she's in luck, I do, but let's see if I like it. It's very sticky, so I'm gonna give it to her. And she ordered she ordered it for $50. So yeah, and she ordered a 6-gallon of it. But yeah. And then she ordered an egg dumpling squishy, Puni Muru squishy. So sorry guys, that's my dad's annoying dog. So this is going to be her Puni Maru squishy. So I just have my box right here. Put that in here. Put that in here to show you. Okay, so then next she ordered, like, I don't know why she ordered it, but she ordered a Cheese Whiz container squishy, and I just have a Cheese Whiz container, so I like Cheese Whiz. My dog likes Cheese Whiz. We eat it together, so yeah. And now she ordered a mermaid squishy, but I only have mermaid highlighters, so I'm just gonna put the mermaid highlighters in there, and she won't even notice. So yeah, and now she ordered a Cheez-It squishy. I have this Cheez-It box. Still has Cheez-Its in it. It's open though, but I'm gonna send her a box of Cheez-Its. So she only ordered one more thing, which is super easy to get. So she ordered a Puni Muru sponge squishy. So literally a sponge squishy is just like, it's made out of cardboard, but I actually have a sponge. I'm gonna draw the face on it. So yeah. So guys, I drew the face on it, but it washed away. So I'm just gonna put this sponge
You know what?
in.
That's what you hang up here. It comes with address, apology, and senpai. Why may I ask what's senpai on my phone?
I don't know. So.
Spell attorney for me. Wait a minute.
So yeah, sorry guys.
ATT
Attorney.
My dad
ORNEY.
is being
I got it,
annoying,
thank you.
and he told me I had to live in his attic, so I don't want to live in his attic anymore. So I'm gonna sell this. So I'm gonna go drop it off at her door. So yeah. So we drop the box off, and now I'm gonna knock on the door.
Oh, I think my package is here. Let's go get that. Oh, it is. It's partially open. Okay, let's bring that inside. Who are you? Oh, whatever. Ouch. Okay. Let's see if I got my squishies. What the frick? Box of Cheez-Its. I get food, right? An empty thing of squeezy cheese. A damn sponge. More makeup. Fucking highlighters. I asked for a mermaid squishy and she gave me mermaid highlighters. Nice play on words, lady. Thanks. A makeup applier. Literally. That's not even a dumpling. And I got the slime I wanted. That's one thing she got right. And then a cute pink box.
Sorry, that slime is mine.
Well, I guess I didn't get the slime I wanted.
Here, I don't like it. It's sticky.
I got it back. I also got a dog. It's my dog. There's my dog. See, there's my dog. Look at her. Look at how cute she is. And another dog. Ow! She's just sitting in my lap, and she's shivering. Let's play with this slime. See how good it is. Okay, off you go. Someone's playing with my slime. It's all liquidy and sticky, and don't touch my highlighter. And it's all gross, and it fell out of the container. These balls are sticking to my hand.
So, thank you guys so much for watching. Please click like, subscribe, and in the comments tell me what you guys want to see next. And
Bah.
huge shout out to my sister for helping me with this video. She was actually really good.
Go
I was
subscribe to
terrible.
mine.
Yeah.
I don't really have very many videos on there, but I have Sammy pretending to be Miranda Scenes. It's quite adorable.
I'm a unicorn.
Unitard.
Peace.